Yo, you Jamaican wannabes are actually getting out of hand now, you know. Why every time I go on TikTok, I see someone new trying to be Jamaican? Like, what is actually going on? Okay, if you love Jamaican culture, you love the food, you love the music, that's understandable. But you're not Jamaican. Don't think you are. Okay, you learn how to cook jerk chicken. You listen to Vibes Cartel every day. You're still not Jamaican, bro. Stop that, man. It's actually getting out of hand now. Everyone wants to be Jamaican. I want a bomba clat Taguania, man.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel once again. This is Granton's reaction, and if you are coming first through my video, remember to subscribe, like, and also to comment. So guys, today we are reacting to a video talking about why Jamaica is loved by many people all over the world, and this is a big impact globally, and honestly this is very true. So guys, let us watch this combination of videos till the end, then I'll be coming back with more and more comments. Please remember to subscribe to the channel.
Everyone wants to be Jamaican. If I was born anywhere else in this world, I would sue my parents. He think God biased because Jamaicans are his favorite people. No cap. Cause why Jamaica so enough? Everything we are going with, everything we are more dominate. Jamaica have the prettiest, the sexiest, the funniest, the smartest, the most handsome, the best chef, the best artist. I travel a lot and there's no country I go where them not play Jamaican music, or I don't see a Jamaican flag or a Jamaican restaurant. Like, anyone that disagree, plain 8, jealousy. Bad man I got kill no. Come to Jamaica for your coconut.
No, white black sound. We say Jamaica 60, you know. Yeah man, happy Independence Day to all the Jamaican them across the world. I'm a family, I'm a friend them. You see me? So make sure you go on the day here, you see me? Yeah man, we have a dumpling and a green banana. You see it? Yeah. And then we have a chicken back. You know what chicken back? In here, so we done cook already, brown stew and curry. All the melon. Right there, you see me? Yeah man, I don't know, Jamaica 60 now, we are full job there. And we are give thanks every time. That is it.
Did you know that when God was creating Jamaica, he had to sit down and carefully plan this one out? Because how can this little bit of people have so much impact on the whole world? Billions of people. That cannot be by chance. No sir, it must be by design. Which other nation have some of this greatness, this influence and power without using weapons? God did not hide power in weapons, he hid it in Jamaicans. And here's a real situation. Everybody wants to be, or at least feel like a Jamaican. And that's not nationalism. That's a magnetic pull of greatness. When God designed Jamaicans, he placed greatness, charisma, creativity, speed, resilience in one DNA strand. And science will never explain us. Listen, Jamaica is not just an island. It's the garden where God planted influence. Because influence this strong, you can't teach this in a school. This have to be born.
I mean, bro. That's what you Ghanaians and Ugandans sound like when you're trying to speak patois. Leave us alone. Leave us Jamaicans alone. What are we doing? You Africans, oh my god. Everybody wants to be Jamaican part 2. I'm on to you, I forgot my intro. I don't get it. What is the obsession of being Jamaican? You pick up a Maggie, you're Jamaican. You grab 2 wines, you're Jamaican. Well, okay, if you're grabbing more than 2 wines in the space of like, yeah, you are Jamaican for that, but yeah. You're cheating on girls, you're Jamaican. Yeah, another Jamaican. If you're doing that, you are probably Jamaican. The whole point is, you man are not Jamaican. You are from Sudan. We can tell by your forehead. With your bright bloodshot eyes, your yellow eyes. Still somehow managed to sneak in the Jamaican. Every day, Jamaica, what's the obsession? Your skin complexion doesn't even correlate. We can tell. My boy called Thomas is even claiming Jamaica. I had to slap him.
Why did so many Africans feel like they had to pretend to be Jamaican just to get by in school? Just before you say it didn't happen, it happened, man. It happened. I'm hearing it from a lot of people, like even growing up now, people that I never grew up with have experienced this, have experienced having to pretend to be a culture that they're not just to get by in school. Growing up, African kids used to get a lot of flack in school. They used to get it a lot. And I don't know if it's because of the propaganda that was shown back then, like in the adverts, they used to all show Africans as starving and malnourished. The illnesses that they used to come up with back in the day, they used to say, oh, it started in Africa. I had friends hiding accents, culture, just to avoid being mocked. It's really wild, man. I do definitely think it was the way that they were marketed, 100%. I do believe that, but it's not my experience. It's not my experience, but I've seen what it's done to others. You know, I'm not alone in thinking like this. You've lived through the era. What was your experience on this, and why do you think this actually happened? Subject that gets brushed under the carpet quite often. Always like some form of Jamaica versus Africa type thing going on. But yeah, like in school, I saw it like deep ingrained in school culture, children's mindsets. It's wild, man. It's wild.
The people them who born America, but who born by Jamaican parents, wanna stop right as a phone if it is. The people them who born America, wanna have Jamaican parents, wanna stop as a phone if it is. I have one thing to tell them. Uno is not Jamaican. Okay? Stop saying Uno Jamaican. Uno is not Jamaican. Uno born by Jamaican parents, but Uno is not Jamaican. Because I ask Uno, which part of Jamaica you know? When I go say Kingston and Montego Bay, you don't know no way. You don't know about trees, you don't know about down a town, you don't know Pavilion Mall, you don't know about Portmore Mall. You don't know no dog. You don't know about the bad coaster them we used to ride on when time we go to school, the metro them. You don't know about the 82 bus them run from Crossroad to Waterhouse. You don't know. You don't know nothing, bro. You don't know about Dr. Bird, you don't know about Limelight. You don't know about Waterworld. You don't know about them little party spot there and them little party there, bro. You don't know. You don't know nothing, dog. You guys are not Jamaican. You don't know about Black Cherry Sweet. You don't know about Chichi Boom. You don't know about Clappers War. You don't know about Bag Juice. You don't know about Suck Suck. You don't know about Aki War, Mango War. You don't know, dog. We can literally carry on, go downtown or carry on half a tree and run left on and on the last on the can't reach back on the Airbnb. We're not Jamaican. Dog, gonna stop so that Jamaica. We don't love it, I don't love the culture, but you guys are not Jamaicans. You guys are Americans born by Jamaican parents, okay? Stop saying that Jamaican.
I just gotta do this public service announcement right here. Listen, if you don't have a Jamaican friend, just find a Jamaican friend, at least one. I'm gonna tell you a couple of reasons why. One, Jamaicans keep it real. You'll never have to wonder. Two, the music. It's amazing. I mean, you guys probably already heard a lot of, reggae, but there's a lot more where that came from. It's awesome. Three, this might be the most important one right here. The food. If they're cool with you, they might invite you over to their family. You know, they may make you a meal. And I think if you eat the food, your life is probably going to be forever different, honestly. So, find a Jamaican friend, get one, get two, get three, get four, get five. My life has only been made better by knowing Jamaicans. And my wife is Jamaican, I guess you would say. So, hey, I lucked out. Jamaican culture.
Okay.
Stranger, are you really Jamaican?
Are you really Jamaican,
you know hear what him say?
What did he say?
All right, I'm from the UK, bro. I've been gone to Jamaica for like.
Oh shit, nigga, are you Jamaican?
Listen, move your bumper club. Don't try this stuff,
man.
Listen, be your badness.
Whoa!
What you say?
Oh.
So what you say? What, Kingston downtown? Follow the love lane, poster wall. You can't come on my bumper club here.
Bumper club Jamaica. Speak out Spanish talk.
Which way you come from?
Spanish talk
Which way you
Jamaica.
come from?
You see me?
Posty.
Me a real original bad man, you hear that?
Posty, where you come from?
Not only,
Which part?
not only you come go like say
Bro,
you're Jamaican,
I be a fuck
you are say you are
which
Jamaican,
part?
dandada. How
Which
is you a
part you
Jamaican
come
dandada when you're not
from?
even Jamaican?
Which
Much
part
as
you
a Jamaican
come
dandada.
from?
Which part you from, bro?
Which part you come from, Posty?
You see that? This don't mean nothing.
Oh, you keep talking that shit. You're just talking. You're just talking.
You're not Jamaican.
You're talking.
I'm telling that. Original Jamaican.
Now you don't know no patois. Now a real Jamaican here now, you don't know no patois.
Yo, me never said I was Jamaican. You're talking shit.
No, you did.
Brother, you can't
Hold on.
Your blood clot done.
Blood clot!
You're done, brother. Shut up, fam.
Pon the river!
Shut up. Yo, but tell yourself from the UK. You fucking dunce, fam.
We need to discuss, what did Jesus put in the air when he created Jamaica? Is there cocaine in the plants? When I saw women coming here to pay men to touch them, then going back to America and charging men to touch them. Jamaica is the only place in the world women are paying men to rub on them. Americans leave America just to feel good breathing the air in Jamaica. It's like the stress lifts up off your shoulders and you are happy, you are free, and everyone feels good. I could be poor in Jamaica and be happy, and the people in Jamaica, they're happier than the rich people that I see in Miami, and they be poor. They be on the side of the road not eating all day and happy. You can't do that in America. You don't understand the beauty in being able to make a joke out of serious situations because nobody else does that. I see Americans in Miami shopping and they're sad, and you're in Jamaica in poverty and you're happy. And it's only being done in Jamaica. What is in the air? I need to know.
I want to jump into this whole conversation about the inclusiveness of the Jamaican culture when it comes to American-born individuals. My experience, I'm first generation American born to Jamaican parents, and growing up, it was always very clear that I am not Jamaican. Like, I am American. Matter of fact, the term used by many of my cousins, specifically the ones that were born in Jamaica, was, "You are a Yankee." like literally intercultural bullying. If that's not a term that is coined, I am coining it officially in this video. It creates a complex in us first, second generation Americans, right? You don't feel like you belong anywhere, so you're almost like afraid to claim the culture you were raised in another country because as a whole you don't meet the standards. You don't have the mark on your arm, your passport is a different color, all these different things. You weren't born there, you didn't go to school there, you just don't have any ties there other than the fact that your parents are from there. It's almost like intercultural bullying. But in all seriousness, just being serious to the topic at hand, it's not a matter of feeling ashamed about being born in America, because I'm not ashamed about where I was born. God orchestrated it that way for a particular reason. It's the fact that what people are not understanding, and this is going based off of my personal experience from what I shared throughout my life to other people, but also to people who have commented in various videos about the same debate, is the fact that you make people feel excluded, which is ironic considering everything that the Jamaican culture historically represented. I mean, for God's sakes, the motto is out of many, one people. The issue is with the pick-me element of it all that grinds my gears. It is so interesting that the people who are allowed to be Jamaicans but weren't born in Jamaica are people of a particular social status. You have Kamala Harris, you have Stefan Don, you have, I might be wrong about this one, but I think Shirley Ralph, if I'm not mistaken, and I'm open to be corrected about that. And I'm pretty sure there's a whole lot more. And I just had to do a quick Google search. There's people like Busta Rhymes, who is from Brooklyn but raised by Jamaicans. Y'all claim him with no problem. Biggie Smalls, also from Brooklyn, raised by a Jamaican mother. Y'all claim him with no problem. And I've seen a few more. So the pick-me element of it all is what really is sad, because when you look at other cultures, when you look at the Dominicans, the Mexicans, when you look at even like the Africans, even if they were born in America, but they're raised by Nigerian parents, they know and they're taught, you are Nigerian, you are African, you are raised the way we raise you to be. The mannerisms are always going to be different. Even with Dominicans, you're born in America, but you were raised by Dominicans, you are Dominican. Like the cultural pride is super strong, but for Jamaicans, it's almost like a pick-me, and I'm annoyed by it. So I'm not really sure how far the discourse and the sentiments people are feeling when it comes to not being included is going to go. I'm not sure how it's going to impact the mentality of many native-born Jamaicans, but it is something that I think many should really ponder on and consider when it comes to how they speak to people who are first generation or even second generation American. It doesn't take away from the fact that growing up in the household, you weren't taught American culture. You were taught the culture of where your parents are from, and that shouldn't be argued or feel like it's being like ripped from under you because you came from another country. I don't know, I truly just don't understand it. It's really sad. You're making people feel like outliers because of something that they did not pick. And shame on you. Shame on you. But here's a good thing, right? You see the body of Christ, all are welcome. And no one's telling who can be in it and who can't be in it because of where they were born or who raised them. No, it's the acknowledgement that Jesus died for you and you are saved because of him. That's better than having to fit into any culture. That's just my take.
As impactful and bad as Hurricane Melissa was, one thing that I learned is people really love Jamaica because the fact that Walt Disney as in Mickey Mouse, contributed $1 million to Jamaica for Hurricane Melissa relief, like, blows my mind. I never thought Walt Disney, Bethany Frankel. I never thought I'd be saying Bethany Frankel and Jamaica in the same sentence. Bethany Frankel from the Real Housewives of New York and Jamaica.
On Warehouse and tell you guys what we're doing for Jamaica. All right, Michael, let's go. Let's show the people how they can help, what we're doing, and what we...
And all these different countries, China, the Netherlands, America. Well, I know America was going to donate. Like, all these countries, there's like so many countries that donated. And celebrities, Nicki Minaj. Nicki?
You know, so I understand, you know. I go send look something still. I go send look still. For the G them, you understand? I have to look out for them too.
Yeah,
Don't know.
Nikki, you're Jamaican now, Nikki. I'm sorry, Trinidad, but Nikki donated a lot. Like, all these different celebrities who donated. Delroy Lindo, I was on Instagram and I saw Delroy Lindo donated. So many people are donated to Jamaicans, and I feel like as a Jamaican, we are so grateful for it. And Jamaica is one of the most loved countries in this world, okay? Walt Disney.
Attention all yardies. We have a Jamaican crisis in foreign. Not so much in Jamaica. I went downstairs, check your letterbox. Who the fuck tell me to go do that? I run into a friend of mine downstairs. Nice lady. She was introducing me to somebody else. Just introduce me as Chadwick, Mr. Chin, idiot, whatever you want to call me. Do not introduce me and say, oh, by the way, he's Jamaican. It opened up a can of worms. And it happened all the time. Me know so she don't mean any harm. When she say, this is my friend Chad. Oh, he lives upstairs and he's Jamaican. What do you think the woman say? Really? You don't look Jamaican. You know much right the time I have to go through this, huh? Me wonder say, do I have to walk around with me yardy flag? Put it on? Wear a Jamaican shirt? What am I doing wrong? I just not looking Jamaican to anybody. I need to look Jamaican somehow, and I just seem to feel that taste. Wait, my idea. See if they can take him a kerchief. Me look Jamaican now? No. Me look Jamaican now? Like, what the fraud? How is a Jamaican supposed to look? Me sound like a yardie, me behave like a yardie, me do things like a yardie. How me supposed to look Jamaican?
Okay guys, welcome back again. So guys, hope you have really watched the video till the end, and you've seen why many people are falling in love and loving Jamaican culture. So guys, let us dive in. The video starts by saying that Jamaica has become one of the most influential country in culture, even though it is small. And when you really think about it, that is impressive. There are much bigger countries that don't have the same worldwide impact. People all over the world connect with Jamaican culture. Some people even wish they were Jamaican because the culture looks powerful, fun, confident, and full of life. Now let's talk about music first, because this is probably Jamaican's biggest influence. The video talks about the reggae, dancehall music. Jamaicans change music around the world. Of course, we have the legend Bob Marley. Even people who don't listen to reggae know Bob Marley. His music spread across the world. Bob Marley made reggae music global. His song talked about freedom, struggle, peace, and unity, and people everywhere connect with that message. Then later the dancehall music because it's huge too. The video also mentioned Vibes Cartel. His influence on modern music is very big. You can hear Jamaican style, Jamaican slang, and dancehall beats in many songs today. Even artists from Africa, America, Europe, and Latin America use Jamaican influence in their music. That shows how powerful Jamaica culture really is. Jamaica is known for producing some of the fastest runners in the world. That is in the track and field section. Also, this video mention of the legends like the Usain Bolt, and those are the legends known for the sprinting. These athletes made Jamaica famous in track and field. Usain Bolt became the worldwide superstar. Even people who don't want sports know his name. And what make it amazing is that Jamaica is such a small island, but it keeps producing the great sprinters in each and every season. They have that dominance and that consistency in sprinting, and this makes people respect Jamaica too much, and many people admire to visit, and this makes people to love Jamaica. And also the Jamaican food. Jamaican food is loved worldwide too. The video talks about the jerky chicken, which is being loved by many people who usually visit Jamaica for a vacation. A lot of tours visit Jamaica, taste their food, enjoy the music and atmosphere, and fall in love with the country. They then go back home talking about how amazing Jamaica is. That helps spread Jamaican culture even more. So the video also talks about the Rastafarian culture and how it spread around the world. Many people in different countries admire to have that Rastafarian lifestyle, fashion, color, and message. So you can see Jamaican influence in many places across Africa, Europe, and also America. That is very powerful for such a small country. Another impact of the video is about Jamaican history. The video mentioned about the Maroons and how they fought for their freedom and the resistance slavery. Their story inspired many people around the world, especially in Africa and the Caribbean. So Jamaica influence is not only in music and entertainment, it is also about the strength, survival, and the pride. Now, the video also speaks about the interesting Jamaica identity in the diaspora. Some people born overseas to Jamaican parents sometimes get told are not really Jamaicans because they didn't grow up in Jamaica. And honestly, this conversation happens a lot. Some people believe being Jamaica is about growing up on the island and living in full experience. Others believe if your parents are Jamaicans and you grow up in the culture, then you're still Jamaican too. The world is different today. Many people grow up with mixed cultures and different backgrounds. At the end of the day, if someone truly loves and respects Jamaican culture, that connection is real to them. And honestly, the fact that so many people around the world want to connect with Jamaica says a lot about the country. Jamaica created a culture that people admire everywhere, from the music to sports to food, fashion. Jamaica has influenced the world in a huge way, and that's something Jamaica should be proud of. But yeah, guys, let me know what you are thinking about in the comment section. What do you think made Jamaica so influential worldwide? Music, sport, food, or the culture and energy overall? So guys, let us interact more in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, and also to subscribe to the channel. Bye for now. See you in the next video.